Today we're going to install this Nvidia RTX 1080 GPU to our 1U Dell server. Let's have some fun. We start off by opening up the chassis, then access the PCI riser toward the back of the case. We've already installed an M2 card on one side of the riser, so on the other side we're going to install the RTX card. Now we reseat the riser card. And verify that the system will post on restart. So now that we've gone ahead and installed the hardware, let's get into putting the drivers on the system. Let's start off by checking if we have any Nvidia drivers present. Nope, we don't have them here, so we're going to follow Ubuntu's recommended steps to get these installed. So first we're going to check to see what available drivers there are. And we see we can get Nvidia driver 550, and we're going to install this using the server-side installation. We're not too concerned about the desktop performance for this install, so we're going to go with the GPU install step and let it download the 550 version. Now we have that installed, we're going to go get the utilities for server and install those. And once those are fully installed and downloaded, we'll be ready to start our installation of Ollama. Now that we've restarted the system, and we can check to see if we have the Nvidia drivers installed. Here we can clearly see we have the Nvidia for 550 version up and running. Now we're going to start the Ollama installation process, and we're going to do something I normally wouldn't recommend you do. We're going to run a shell script off the internet. Let's see if our system survives. This is going to take a couple of moments for this to finish the download and go through the whole installation setup. Sweet, let's take a look at the web browser to see if it's up and running. There we see Ollama is running. Now that we've confirmed Ollama is running properly, let's try pulling a model. Okay, that's installed. Let's try running the model and passing it a request. Ooh, almost got 40 tokens per second. That's pretty good for this little GPU. With that being said, we now have the RTX 1000 running on a Dell 1U server. I'm pretty happy that it's up and running here on Ollama, and I'm looking forward to seeing what we're going to do in our next video. Have a great day.